Yo, here we go. Let me show you how I made this insanely juicy rotisserie chicken. Better than store-bought, even better than your favorite Costco. First out, made a brine with it, wet brine overnight, a little brown sugar, some garlic, soy sauce, and a blend of other spices. Once we got that mixed up and got the sugar melted down, we went in and poured it out, let it cool. Once it cooled, we came back and put about 4 cups of water into it, put the whole chicken in and let it take an overnight bath. Next morning came back out, pulled it out, gave it a quick pat down. We want that skin to be dry. Once we got it all patted down and dried up, I hit it with my own blend of poultry seasoning that I've created that works well on any type of poultry that you can think of, right? So we want to get this all covered and seasoned up. When you're done with it, it looks like something like this. And then let it sit in the refrigerator and dry, get the skin as dry as possible. From there, we're going to truss it up, make it nice and tight. We don't want this thing to flop around as it's on the rotisserie. That's how it should look. All right, then from there, popped out to the Weber sear wood, got it fired up, started at 225 to get some smoke in before I blasted it up to 350, 375 for a couple hours. Here we go, got it all on the spit here. Now it's time to get it on the rotisserie. We're going to be monitoring our temps with our meter probe. We're going to take this up to about 165 and turn on the breast there.
1 hour later.
So after 1 hour mark, this is how it looks. Already looks really good, a lot of great color. I'll let this thing keep rolling.
2 hours later.
2 hours later, it's close to being done. After about another 20 minutes or so, we're done after this point. But it looks really, really good. Smells great right here. And she's done. It took about 2 hours and 15 minutes. Went out, pulled it off, and here are the results. Oh, look at that. That's good. That's good.